Right, it's coming together here, man. God damn. Thank you for Rich Gardens, boys and girls. Listen. Getting there, though. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Hey. Getting there, dude. It's me and just doing bad things, in my bad house, my bad cave, doing bad things. Yeah, we're about to build some shit, man, out of my bad cave, because there's that fucking smell. It smells like taint plus dick. This fucking suit's like elephant balls. Oh my god, I can't take the smell of this fucking suit. Anyways, boys and girls, here we are. This is what we got so far. This is what we got so far.